आगे इट इज़ कंटिन्यू। वो निकोबोमिनस को ख्याल आता है कि ये एक टावर है और बहुत ही शानदार घर है वीनस का, और उसी वक्त उसको एक क्रिक आवाज़, लाइट की आवाज़ आती है और वहाँ पे वो अपना हाथ स्ट्रेच करता है और वो कहीं पे हाथ लगाता है जो उसको सॉफ्ट नज़र आता है, पर वो बहुत ही डार्क होता है। अब पैनल सडनली स्लिड ओपन, वो पैनल जो खुल जाता है और इस निकोबोमिनस बाहर निकलता है और वो उसको एक बहुत ही शानदार रूम नज़र आता है जो पहले कभी भी उसने नहीं देखा होता है। It's all about the story that I have explained it to you Urdu. So I gonna explain it to you in English so that you would also understand in English that this is a story of two friends. One is silly and another is, you can say, a versatile, extraordinary child. Actually, his friend Rizai, who knows that he can do everything, so that's why he ordered him to go to find out the land of Dragon. And he met with two troubles like that. First of all, he went out for in order to get the land of Dragon. He is stuck with a dog, and finally they did not meet with trouble and they got out from this trouble. Again, Nicobominus shows his desire to pick out the apples, so therefore he wanted to climb, and but as a result what happened, he did not, and he went into the other side of the wall, and he met a man who was the, I think, owner of the orchard or garden. So he keep follow him, and he was alone. Nicobominus was alone, and he was keep running and running in order to save his life. And then he went to any place there was full of darkness, and the man was also following him, and it was another trouble that he met, and he wanted to save his life, therefore he went over there. Then what he found, there is a darkness. He also found another way to get out from there, but what happened, it was full of dark, and he was over smelting and very much danger, and as a result he was thinking that where he is, and he keep running, he keep climbing. As a result what happened, he went to a place that is the beautiful room that is known as the grandest house in Venice. There he found the beautiful room over there, and it was very much beautiful, and he got amazed, and there was amazing room he had ever seen. Actually, students, it is very much long lesson, and as I did not tell you that who is the writer of this lesson. Terry Jones is the writer of this lesson, and Nicobominus is the novel. And from this novel, Terry Jones take 2 chapters from it, and this is novel is full of humor and adventure. You must read it out and listen the explanation again and again, and you may understand it. It is very much interesting novel, that a boy who's extraordinary, and it is all about the friendship, all about the versatile child, and I'm going to upload its exercise. Hope you understand it, and if you do not understand, do comment me, then I will explain it to you to some extent in Urdu as well as in English. Thank you. I will upload its exercise and will make you understand. There is a question answers, summary, central idea, fill in the blanks,